Good morning, students. Uh, in last period, we construct a quadrilateral. Third construction, to construct a quadrilateral, if two adjacent sides and any three angles are given. Similarly, fourth construction, to construct a quadrilateral with three sides and two angles included by them are given. Now in today I am taking your next part, rectangle. Definition of rectangle is, this is our constructions fourth video. Remember, quadrilateral and constructions and types in this chapter. This is the fourth video. On page number, now rectangle is on page number 43 and 44. Definition of rectangle is, if all angles of a quadrilateral are right angles, it is called a rectangle. If all angles, see, all angles are right angles, 90, 90, 99, then that quadrilateral is a rectangle. Then construct a rectangle PQRS. Take in that PQ is adjacent side to PQ is 6 cm and PS is 4 cm. See, out of 10 elements, if we know 5 elements, then we can construct a quadrilateral. Among the 5 elements given to construct a quadrilateral, at least 2 have to be the lengths. Here, 2 have to be the lengths, 2 lengths of adjacent sides, and you can construct a quadrilateral if 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. And 3 angles are this 90, this 90, this 90. Then from the definition, we know all that all angles of rectangles are right angles. So if you know 2 adjacent sides, then you can construct a rectangle. So how to construct this rectangle PQRS? Take 6 cm as base. 6 cm as base. This is 6 cm as base PQ. Then with the help of protractor, take angle 90 degree. Take angle 90 degree. Draw the ray. On this ray, take 4 cm. Take 4 cm. On this ray, draw the arc of 4 cm. So PQRS, this point is yes, 4 cm. Now rectangle is a parallelogram, and properties of parallelograms are opposite sides congruent, opposite angles congruent. If here PQ is opposite sides are congruent. If PQ is 6 cm, this is 6 cm. Similarly, you can take this angle also 90. This angle also 90. Draw the ray. Then with the help of protractor also you can take this angle also 90. 2 adjacent sides, 3 angles, this also angle 90. All angles of quadrilaterals are 90. Then that quadrilateral is a rectangle. So these 2 adjacent sides, this angle 90, this angle 90. You can take this angle also 90. And draw the ray. Or mark this also on this as 4 cm. Opposite sides are congruent. Draw the line. This angle is also 90. And PQR, yes, we get a construction of quadrilateral PQRS. See here, properties we can tally the properties of quadrilateral. Opposite sides of rectangles are congruent. Diagonals of rectangles are congruent. Diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. Well, see, opposite sides are congruent. When we draw the diagonal of this rectangle PQR, PR and QS are the diagonals. See, the lengths of diagonal are also congruent. See. The diagonals are also congruent. You draw this diagonal and then diagonals bisect each other. Suppose this point is E. So this and this congruent, this and this also congruent. See with the help of compass. Means properties of rectangles are properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle are congruent. Just we saw PQ is equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. Similar diagonals of rectangle. Diagonals of a rectangle. Diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Just we verify. Diagonal PR and diagonal QS are congruent. Third one, diagonals of rectangle. Diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. Just we verify that ES is equal to EQ is equal to ER is equal to EP. All are congruent. Means diagonals bisect each other. You construct this type of construction of rectangle. Take length is equal to first L is equal to 7 centimeter, B is equal to 4.5. This length is 7 centimeter, breadth is 4.5 centimeter. Length is 7.2 centimeter, B is 5.3 centimeter. Third one is L is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 5 centimeter. This type of three construction you send me, and this construction also. Okay, see you in the next video.